I think people talk about the stress of testing, and I really think that that's when it's high stakes testing, when that testing is a single data point and it's going to determine a number of factors that may be out of the student or the teacher or the principal's control. But when we're looking at testing or assessments to check for understanding or check for learning, I think that's really a low stress environment, and students as well as teachers are just using that to check their understanding. So it's not a performance as much as information to act upon. And I think our students take pride in showing when they understand that they're taking a pre-assessment, it's just to figure out what they already know. And then they look at their post-assessment to say, look at all the new concepts that I've learned. Then it's not about creating a high stress environment or high anxiety. It's about showing student growth, and they can be proud and see concretely what they really have learned in that unit, and they can clearly speak to it. Just to take it one step further, students set goals for themselves, and they set specific goals about what they would like to get better at, what they would like to learn, and they identify the steps that they'll need to do to take those goals. And I think using pre and post assessments allows them to say, I learned this because I like to read more, or I asked more questions, or I took advantage of the lunch bunch group with a teacher. And then they're the ones who are in charge of their learning, and they know exactly how they're doing, and they know what they need to do to get better.